One of the things that, good day, my name is John Vincent Asaracanlao. This channel is about research and research statistics. One of the things that really helped me love research is the things that I've learned from my professors. That's Dr. Absin, Dr. Saturnina Absin. She taught me a lot of things, and because of what she has taught me, I have developed that sense of love for research statistics and research. Though this is just inferred, I believe that it is very difficult to love something or someone that is difficult. That is why you have to find a way for that something to be easy, for you to be able to have that appreciation of something. It doesn't have to be difficult at all times. Why push for it to be difficult when it can be easy? With the help of technology, of course. So, what we have here, the topic today is about frequency and percentage distribution. So if you have 10 respondents, it's actually very easy to count the frequency and percentage distribution. Example, we have questions here. So we're gonna code them. So for education, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have 4 twos, we have 0 ones, and we have 1, 2. We have 2 threes and 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. So if we count that is equals to 10. Right? It's easy, and most of the time when you take a math exam, it's always this easy. They give you a very short sample, but when it comes to the exam, it gets hard. And really same with the when you get your data, because it's not usually just 10 respondents, probably around 200 if you're gonna do a correlation or a regression test. So those changes everything, because there's like a lot of 200 respondents, and how would you count them one by one without missing or having that certain degree of perfection or correctness in your data? These 3 words change everything. It's Control, Shift, Enter. Because of these 3 words, I developed love for research and research statistics. How so? So basically, I'll just show you how. And I will be showing you how something that's traditionally considered difficult not to be that difficult. So we have here are the data from respondent 1 to 215. It's not just easy as 1, 2, 3, 4 to 10, right? So how are we going to count how many number of ones, number of twos, number of threes, and number of fours in a very easy way? So I'll teach you how. So we have to point out our bins. So our responses are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm actually extending the count to other variables. So the first step is to, very simple, you just have to highlight the column you want to count the frequency with. So you just put, after highlight, you put equals, then you type in the word frequency, then you open parenthesis, then you highlight the data that you want to count the frequency with. After that, you just click comma, press comma, then these are your bins. So basically it will count how many 1s, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 10, and there. Then the words are Control, Shift, Enter, and you have to press them simultaneously, and there you go. So you will, the Microsoft Excel will count how many 1s, 2s, 3s, and 4s. To counter check, we need to sum. We need to check if it's 215, so that to make sure that it all counted the data from the row, the frequency from the row. So that's done. So it's as easy as 1, 2, and 3. So you don't have to count how many 1s, how many 2s, how many 3s. Oh, that's so difficult. So you see, something that is so difficult can be done so easily, and it can be done easier. You don't have to type this again and again and again. We just change the formula bar here and put here as our bin, as our roots. We press function F4 and go back again. Be careful when you change them, because if you change them, it will create error. So you have to be careful with this data. Control Shift Enter. So now we can copy them and paste them here, 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 and since all those data are just 1, 2, 3, 4, we just place it there. And let's try to count if it counted all the frequencies of the data. There. So that's 215, 215, all 215. Meaning, if there is a, let's say, a 5 response, I mean, that's no, that's no. Let's say there is a response here that is a mistype like Q, it will automatically count 214. So if it doesn't total the sum, then there must be something wrong with your data. So that's it. So for this one, we have a higher numbers. So basically your bin should be related to the numbers already. So I hope you learn something from that. Anyways, we are already here. Let's do percentage distribution. So we all know that there is 215 respondents. So basically you just press equal and the number, then 215, which is your total population. You click there, then you press percentage, then put 2 decimal points, copy and paste, and you will have your percentage distribution, and you can paste them adjacent to your frequencies. So that's how easy it is. So I hope you learned something from that, and I hope you can use what you have learned. Remember these 3 words: Control, Shift, Enter, and just play back if you miss some parts. Thank you. Good day.